Ra. This is the effect.
Lagyan natin ng necklace.
Okay.
How really works? How really works po ito?
Ito po ngayon ay magsusot na po siya ng aura necklace para po malaman niya kung gaano po ang effect sa katawan pag nakasuot na po ng aura necklace.
5 seconds, di ba? 2 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yung sa paa niya, okay?
Yung sa paa mo sa isa, tabahin mo yung
Without and with necklace. Yeah, start ready. So this is with necklace. Okay?
Yeah, it is already have a necklace, so see the difference? See the power and the energy that gives to her
Teka lang.
when she wear a necklace. See how energy coming to her body when he wear that necklace. So amazing. See?
That's the power of our energy.
That's the benefits of our Chin's aura necklace. Power.